back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set spaces with payment references for bills in Starling UK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So when you are setting up a payment from a Starling space, the payment reference is applied during the initial setup of the standing order or when the original direct debit instruction is created with the biller. So all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Starling Bank. Now you need to set up pay first of all. You can go to payment tab in your app and add the organization or payment you want to pay. Now you can schedule the payment and link it to your bill manager. So this is called linking to a space. You can go to the space section, tap on it and tap on manage space and pay bills from this space. So if you want for direct debits, you can set up the direct debit with the biller, link to a space, the bill manager, and if you are searching for an online subscription, you can also use a virtual card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.